You're logged onto mktv.co.za.
Where's the
Our camera's right at the back.
Oh, there we go. Sweet.
Just look into the distance. Wave at them, Matthew. That's not a wave. That's kind of a wave. We're here with the undoubtedly talented, little bit of a diva, Matthew Ma. How are you, mate?
Very well, thanks. And you?
I caught your set earlier.
Oh, really?
Magnificent, dude.
Thank you so
I
much.
didn't know you were starting to do covers of rap tunes now.
Oh, yeah.
You're like a big will.i.am fan.
Yeah, big time. You need to be dynamic with that kind of stuff, I think.
What did the ladies say? Because that's really all you pander to. It's pretty girls.
No, really? That's hectic.
I was in the crowd. It was like fishing.
That's amazing. No, I don't know. I didn't know it was like that. I just hope
You're a
people don't.
liar and a terrible one.
No, I just hope people don't think I think I'm a heartbreaker, because it's not why I'm singing that song. People say that to me. They're like, "Hey, he thinks he's a heartbreaker. Look at this guy."
You kind of are.
No.
Tell me quickly. We've got a relationship. We spent time together.
Yeah.
I consider us the best of friends.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Why won't you tell me where your tent is?
I don't know what to say. I don't know how to avoid this. No, I'm joking. If you want to, I can tell you off camera, but
Off camera?
yeah.
Okay, that's cool with me.
We can chat about it. Yeah.
Talk to me a little bit about fashion at Oppi. When did you get here?
This morning, or this afternoon, early afternoon,
Yeah?
today.
Did you set your own tent up?
Sleeping in the car tonight.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
That's going to change.
It's really.
Yeah, people have heard that.
Oh no.
Yeah, I promise you.
I know.
There are going to be some randoms out there who are going to
Uh,
can find a place for you to stay. Don't worry about that, mate.
Hopefully not. Let's it's fine. I think the car's nice.
What
and
car do you
spacious.
have?
Someone else's car. It's an Opel.
So you steal someone's car?
Oh, no, someone else's.
No, let me
the
finish.
driver. It's the driver's
You
car.
steal someone's car. You really are more rock and roll than you were the last time we met.
I promise it's really innocent.
Oh, because earlier I had Short Straw here.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Oh wow, indeed.
Shame for you. No.
Not for me. They were they were spreading some awful rumors about you.
Oh yeah, we've got this kind of relationship. But I don't know.
Yeah, they were quite
happened.
mean.
No, it's them. I love them though.
Really?
If they ever hear about my rumors, they're good rumors. I love those guys.
They weren't good. They weren't good. Are you happy with the turnout? People seem to love you here.
Oh yeah, that was unexpected. It was very cool.
Oh come on.
No, I didn't
How
expect
many albums have you sold online now?
I don't even know.
You've lost count?
No, I mean I don't know.
It's just
I don't even
cha-ching,
know. No, I haven't been able to. I don't know the
cha-ching.
count actually.
Oh, whatever.
But thank you. That's a cool way to put it.
I bought it.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank
I
you so
love it.
much.
And it's doing well. And you're playing all over the place. And you're on the radio and
Oh,
blowing
wow.
up.
Yeah, I don't know. It's all new to me, so I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I don't know how it works. I'm just taking it as it comes.
You've obviously got a great management team.
Yeah.
Now, have you noticed some of the fashion
yeah.
at Oppi Copy lately?
Like the onesies and the weird
the
like
onesies, dude. Have you
Speedos.
seen?
Yeah.
You saw Speedos?
Yeah.
I can do you one better. Someone actually brought me a picture earlier of a gentleman who was displaying his testicles on either side of his Speedo.
Oh, I saw one of those.
You saw that too?
Sus, man.
Sus, man.
But at least it covered up the main vein.
At least he covered up the other bits.
Yeah.
Although from the photograph it didn't look like much. So tell me, I need to get back at Short Straw. Give me some inside info about them. Tell me something mean about them.
They're like long. Oh no, I didn't know the basics. Like
what?
Like they like to be caught in the rain.
They do?
Yeah.
Together?
The romantic band.
They are
that is.
romantics. I saw that. There was a thing.
Yeah, big time. Not between me and them. I just kind of.
He said he's got your back. And then he winked like this.
Oh yeah, I did see that.
Yeah.
It's nice. And I don't know. I don't want to make it sound worse than it already sounds.
No, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. So, when are you going to wear a onesie, man?
I've got it in the car. I don't. Tomorrow maybe. It's a panda bear.
Really?
How cool is that?
That's amazing.
I honestly have one in the car. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow.
Where are you playing tomorrow?
I'm not playing. I'm just gonna wear it.
You're just going to wear it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It'll be amazing.
I don't know what to do with you anymore.
It's gonna be amazing.
I see. Since you've topped the charts, you've kind of become a bit of a diva.
No.
You were standing there all smug, making us look for you.
No.
Had my whole team scouring Woodstock.
Really?
Copy.
Woodstock.
Looking for you all over the place. It's ridiculous, man.
Yeah.
Come on. Remember where you're from, bud.
From Cape Town.
Oh, God.
I'm joking.
Is that why you
How
wear
can I forget
onesies?
that? I'm joking though.
How often do you get? How much time do you get to spend in Cape Town these days?
Not that much, actually. Joburg's the place to be.
You've been
I'm
up
happy
here
with
for a
that.
long time.
It's been cool. I've moved up there now.
Really? Oh, you have fans. I told you. that's one more record sold. Your management's going cha-ching. Oh, now they're doing sound check. Who are you
Yeah.
yet to see?
There are lots of bands. Shadow Club is busy sound checking. I'm
That's
keen to see
right.
those guys. By Beneco. Have you heard of
Yes.
them? How good are they?
Fantastic. They
Oh.
played earlier.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Absolutely
word.
wonderful.
Short Straw. I guess I have to mention them.
I'm getting told that Daryl says By Beneco are amazing.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, they played in the studio once. Aren't they? They're doing a couching session with you.
That's absolutely right. Everybody wants to be on my show.
Exactly.
MK Couching Sessions.
Exactly.
We've had Matthew Mole. You were magnificent that night.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you almost had my wife leave me for you. We've got to talk about
Sorry
that.
about that. I didn't mean to
I
do
don't
that.
think you're smiling. You're just sorry. I don't believe you. Now, talk to me a little bit about where we're going to from here, man. How long are you here for?
At
At
Opi.
Opi. Yeah, at Opi.
I'm leaving tomorrow because I'm sleeping in the car.
In
I'm
the
leaving-
stolen car.
Yeah. No, I'm leaving like early tomorrow morning or
Yeah.
Sunday morning. So I'll stay for everything that's happening tomorrow and then leave in the early hours.
Yeah, and
Get
then
home on Sunday morning.
Sunday being your new Joburg home.
Exactly.
Really, and you're enjoying it. It's great up here, right?
Yeah, it's amazing. Well, yeah, in Joburg. I love Joburg.
Good man. Good man.
amazing.
Tell me quickly. I heard that you've got this addiction to taking people to the casino and standing back and letting them lose all their money, and then you laugh, and you laugh under your breath.
I've never invited people. I've just hopped on the bandwagon and gone with people to the casino. I've won my money myself, but it's never me that initiates it. I promise. Is this what Short Straw said?
This is what everybody's saying. There's a blog
No,
and everything.
please, no ways.
And I'm just making
Okay,
it up.
good.
So where are you playing next? Where can we catch you next, mate? You don't know.
I actually don't know yet. I don't think they're
Oh, you
gonna.
see.
We're focusing on the album now, so now
Okay.
I don't actually know what the next show is. This is a bit awkward.
It is.
Every time I was telling people, "Yo,
Should I
Opi
bring your
copy."
management up? When are you going to New York again?
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay, maybe tomorrow we'll see. I'll see what
Just
happens.
hop on
when
a
I wake
plane, smile at a stewardess, they'll put you on. Cheeky bollocks. Now,
No.
you're kind of changing your look a little bit?
up. The coat.
No, yeah, you've added a coat. It's no
That's
longer
just cold. This is just what happens.
Because
when
I
it's
didn't
cold. Yeah, like
recognize you on the stage. I didn't recognize you on stage. You weren't wearing a sweater at all. You were kind of like buffing it out there.
Stop that. But really, I
Yeah,
promise,
you
I
were
was
showing
wearing a
off your
t-shirt. I
guns,
promise.
dude.
In a t-shirt.
Yeah, in a t-shirt.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Oh, I didn't wear a jersey.
You didn't
so
wear a jersey. I didn't know who it was on.
It's
I thought it was a really good lookalike. It's kind of become your staple.
jerseys. That's what I've been told, actually. Happy jersey wearing boy.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, there was that blog who tried to be
Yeah.
really mean to you. I
That's
discussed
funny,
that. I discussed it with Short Straw, and we couldn't
Yeah,
believe.
did you see what they did?
Yeah, they got your back. That was
Yeah, it was so
amazing.
funny.
But I couldn't believe we're like, who out there wants to be mean to Matthew Mole? Because obviously
That's
you've
funny.
not met Matthew Mole.
I haven't actually met that guy. He's somewhere here, though. The guy that did it. I don't know where.
Oh, is he? Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, we were very rude to him. Don't worry.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we're gonna kick him in the
Shame.
shin when we see
Oh,
him.
wow.
I might even mispronounce his name
Oh,
on
nice.
TV. Be
Yeah,
really,
yeah.
really mean to him.
That's a good one, actually.
You've got some groupies out here. Just a thumbs up. You see, you get that response just with a thumbs up.
No,
imagine what you-
it's for you.
Have you guys got any questions for Matthew Mole? Now,
Yeah, exactly.
now they're all shy and kind of like twiddling their thumbs. You see what you do to them?
No, man.
And there were about 5 million. I almost counted that high. Who watched you?
5 million. Yeah, pretty much. That sounds accurate.
It was right about that number, give or take 1 million.
No.
But you were huge, dude. You
Well,
were
I think,
fantastic. No,
huge.
no, not that big.
I did some push-ups before.
I
but-
saw that. You were kind of sweating, and
Yeah.
it worked for everyone. Not me. It worked for everybody else, I saw it.
Thanks.
They were
sir.
enjoying
Thank
it.
you. Hopefully, yeah. Thank you.
It's sounding fantastic, dude.
Thanks a lot.
It's really,
Yeah, the sound here is amazing.
I know, right?
That's one thing. Yeah.
Tell me, when are you coming back to my show, dude?
Yeah, when can I come back?
It's your third home now.
Exactly.
MK Couching Sessions. You've got
take it over
Cape Town, you've got Joburg, and then you've got the
MK
studio.
Couching Sessions. Yeah.
Exactly. So you can pull in anytime you like. You're a celeb,
well,
dude.
We're here now. No.
Well,
But for the proper show, I'm
for the
to come
proper
back.
show, absolutely, dude.
I'm excited about
Now
that.
look all the way back there. There's a camera there.
Where should I look exactly? I don't look like
at
one
the
of those
lights.
Squint guys. At the top.
Yes.
Okay.
You're looking right at it. I'm getting told you're looking right at it.
Hey, this is creepy. I can't see you
Now
guys.
we've got thousands of people online watching, and they've tuned in to see
Millions.
just you. Just you. I got text and everything saying they're only going to go online just to see you.
Really?
So that's very intimidating. Say something inspirational and heartwarming to your millions of fans.
Hey
Go.
guys. Hey. I don't know what to say. I
And
can't
as you can
see
see,
you, but you can see me.
The fantastic Matthew Moore is
Speechless.
he's just a nice guy. And if you're mean to Matthew Moore, we're going to kick you in the knee.
The shin.
That's coming from us at MK. We're not dead. We're live and we're streaming, and we'll see you at the bar in a little bit with Matthew Moore. Hi, I'm Kay Oliver and you're watching MK TV. You've obviously made some pretty decent decisions so far in your life, like clicking on these videos in the first place. And remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter at MKTV_, and like the video. You do already. You kind of love it. If there was a button for love, you'd be pushing it multiple times. So all of these links along the side here, they're all interactive. And if you didn't know that yet, you probably don't spend enough time on the internet. Too much time working. Subscribe to our channel, check out our websites, and click here, roughly here, for more. We'll see you at the bar.